Ground Transport Incorporated is an awesome local company that's expanding even more so as they're heading now to the Big Island. And here with more on that is Human Resources Manager Diana, and we also have Mark, who's the Fleet Maintenance Manager. Aloha, you guys.
Hi. How's it?
It's going pretty good, and I'm excited to talk to you because people are wanting to get these great job opportunities, and you have awesome benefits. So we're going to learn a bit more about what all you guys are expecting from people that are applying. But first off, what jobs do you guys have available?
Well, we have several jobs opening here for Oahu, Maui, and on the Big Island. We're looking for school bus drivers, school van drivers, and school van leads.
Perfect. And what are the requirements for those positions?
For all drivers, they're required to be at least the age of 21, at least a year of driving experience. And for the school bus drivers, you must have a CDL license with proper endorsements. School van drivers, a valid driver's license, non-CDL. And for the age 18 years and older, no experience, and with a proper identification.
Wonderful. And of course, with any job opportunity, folks are curious, what's the pay like? So what are your rates?
Our starting pay for our school bus drivers are $31 an hour, van drivers are $22, and for the aides is $19 an hour.
Wonderful.
We also do in-house training for all of our positions, and for those who want to upgrade their license to become a CDL driver, we do train for them.
Okay, perfect. All right, and Mark, you're the Fleet Maintenance Manager. So for you guys, what positions are you looking for?
For Oahu and Maui, we're looking for mechanic helper. And with the expansion of Big Island, we're looking for mechanic helper, body and fender, and a painter.
Oh.
And utility, actually.
Okay, wow, so there are a lot. That's great. And you've been with the company for a long time. Can you share a bit about what inspired you to get into this line of work?
Well, I went to school for mechanic. After school, I applied here, ground transport, and I got in. It was 14 years ago.
Wow.
Yes, now I take care of the whole fleet for Oahu, Maui, and soon to be Big Island. I oversee all the fleet vehicles, company vehicles for all islands.
And if you've been here for so long, with that longevity, you guys really treat your workers great. So can you share a bit more about the benefits for both full-time and part-time?
We offer great benefits for our qualified employees, medical, drug, vision, dental, paid life insurance to the company, holiday pay, vacation pay, 401k, and profit sharing.
So for those that want to learn more information, find out where they can, fit in this company or where to apply, where do we go for more info?
Okay, well, you can visit our website, www.groundtransportinc.com. You may download the application there, apply, email it to our jobs@groundtransport.com, or apply in person here on Oahu or on Maui. For our Big Island, we're still in the process of setting it up, so the Big Island's applications, you can email it or call our Oahu office for more information.
Perfect. Well, thank you both so much for joining us today and for getting the word out about these job opportunities, because I know a lot of people are going to want to be learning about working for this great local company. They've been here in the islands since the early 90s, and they're now finally making their way to Hawaii Island. So exciting. Thanks so much, you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.